Well, let's see if we've learned how to do this. Let's apply what we just talked about, closing entries. Number one, we've got one adjusting entry to do here. It's December 31st, and you find the work for the $100 unearned revenue is complete. So you need to do an adjusting entry. So let's go down here to our unearned revenue. It's finished, so what are we going to do? We're going to zero it out and move that money to service revenue. So now we have $1,100 in our service revenue account, and our unearned revenue account is 0. Hey, so step one to close the books, close out your revenue account. So I see one revenue account right there. One revenue account, service revenue. Okay. So it's got $1,100 in it. I'm going to take $1,100 out of there. Oops, not 1,000. $1,100 out of there. Its balance is now 0. Where am I going to put it? Debit service revenue, credit, income summary. $1,100. There it is. What's step two? Do the same thing to the expense accounts. I think they're all over here. Here they are. There's my expense accounts. What am I going to do? I'm going to debit each of them. Credit each of them because they're debits. 100 zeros that out. 200 zeros that one out. 100 zeros that one out. 300 zeros that one out. And 100 zeros that one out. Total of $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800. So we're going to credit, expense, debit, income summary. So our income summary account, if we figure out the balance, has a balance of $300 in it. That represents our net income for the year. Who gets it? I'll tell you who gets it. The owner gets it. So let's take the money out of income summary and move it to the owner's equity account, huh? Owner's equity account. So I'm going to debit this for $300. So it's now a 0 balance here. And credit owner's equity, $300. So we're taking the money from the income summary account. Income summary account is now closed. See you next year. Our expense accounts all have 0 balances. The owner's got the money. What's the last thing we're going to do? That shouldn't be there. The last thing we're going to do is take our withdrawals of $200, close it out to the withdrawals account, and reduce the owner's equity. So our balance at the end of the year is 13 minus 12, $1,100 owner's equity. Pow, there we go. Books are closed, ready for next year.